Hi, I'm Andrea Lilienfeld, owner and team leader of the K Grant Group out of Arizona. To start off today, I figured we might as well ask the very first question I get every time I meet with the client. And that is, wait, if you're the owner and you're Andrea, who is Kay and who is Grant? Well, you're looking at her. The K Grant Group was founded by myself, Andrea K. Lilienfeld, and my husband, Jeffrey Grant Lilienfeld. So if you're wondering who Kay and who Grant are, it's actually myself and my husband, Jeff. The second question that we always get asked is, why should we list with the K Grant Group versus someone else? And the answer is actually very simple. It's because we treat real estate as a business and we treat our clients like family. This was the #1 guiding principle we had when we were forming the K Grant Group and when we were getting into real estate ourselves back in 2015. From experience, we know that buying and selling real estate is one of the largest transactions you'll ever do. And because of that, it is so important that you make sure you're hiring a true professional to represent you through the real estate process. And that's exactly what we do here at the K Grant Group. We always make sure to have professional photos taken that will really accent your home's high points and help ensure the visibility that you're looking for. We create a virtual tour and video walkthrough of your home, which will allow out-of-state buyers to get a feel for your home's flow. We notify your neighbors of your home's listing to help maximize awareness. We can do this through actually door knocking and going around to all of your neighbors, personally making them aware of your listing. By holding open houses to help increase the amount of traffic coming through your home, which will maximize your awareness. And by mailing professional pieces to your neighbors and other potential buyers to help maximize the awareness. We take the time to meet with you and fully explain the current market and real estate process so we can come up with a pricing strategy that meets your needs. We market your home internally to our brokerage office of over 4,000 agents. We'll consistently update you as to any changes in the marketplace to ensure that we have your property positioned correctly to ensure top dollar. We'll contact agents that have buyers with search criteria that match your home's characteristics to ensure that no potential buyers are missing your home's listing. We always respond to all emails, phone calls, and text communications rapidly. And most importantly, we treat our clients as family. So if you're thinking about selling, please contact us here at the K Grant Group. I can personally be reached at 480-387-3990, or I can be contacted via email at andrea@k-grant.com.